This is John with WTI, and I always leave my car outside my house, which is always exposed to the sun, to higher temperatures. And every time that I get to my car, it would get so hot. But it was until I got this car umbrella. This is how like to call it. This actual device, you can actually pose it into the windshield of your car, and it's going to protect the UV rays, which is going to actually help to reduce all the temperature of your car. So every time that you go into your car after a long day out or some hours exposed to the sun, the temperature, the protection of your dashboard, everything is going to be well protected. The temperature is going to be lower. You may ask yourself, but isn't that too big? How can I store it in my car? Well, this is a compact as just a normal umbrella. I put it to the sides of the door, and it actually does the job perfectly. So compact, convenient, and keeping your car cool, does a great job. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.